Hello everyone, myself BALA. Currently, I am pursuing a BE Mechanical Engineering in Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Today, we are talking about the topic of Cobot in Intelligent Automation. First of all, at the beginning, the 20th century, the term of robot appeared. This is the first mention that carried the meaning of automated device. Modern concept of robot rather depends on the level 2 technology development by learning which we can explain what a robot is and what is the true goals are. People have always sought to create devices that would help them with the heavy and respective works. And the modern engineering industry is changing due to the development of Industry 4.0. And the modern robotics production have moved beyond and the separate work area and started working together with the humans. There is a new type of robots, collaborative robots. There are robots that can be work side by side with a human perform not only sequential tasks but also parallel ones. The Gobot have the following characteristics: ability to interact safely with a human and risk reduction in the implementation task and flexibility and learning possible of wide use and quick adjustment. And another is the through the intelligence and collaborative robotic into the production, it become possible to advance from coexistence to collaboration between workers and robots. uh, in this slide, the robotic classification. First of all, robotic is two type of classification is here. One service and another one industrial. The service is personal, professional, and industrial professional. And the two collaboration is called as collaborative robots. Then HRA for intelligent industrial production. For more than the 10 years, the development of integration of mobile robotics solution and have a huge impact of industrial production. And today, as a result, we have released a flexible method of automation and recognition of production processing intelligent manufacturing. Robot are equipped with a visual and sound recognition for precise movement and control while robot working with humans. In the further development of robotic installation include collaborative robotic and solution in production for automated manufacturing will significantly increase by 12% per year. Next, collaborative robot safely oriented method during HSC. This section is paper describes safety HRC. Examples for the robot and human in the field and recalibration, human and autonomous vehicle on the road, child and robot during study or manipulator, and human worker are robotic lane and production. There are two ways to reach the safety interaction between robots and humans. First of all, changing the robot configuration so that it does not cause any harm when it collides with the humans. Basically, the hardware designs. And second one is the to make a collaborative robot based on safety standards and software designs. And consider a multi-agent system. Each element is defined as a robot agent or human agent. This for safe and effective interaction between a human and robot, it is advisable to use the method for solving tasks in a game theory with active agent whose action are mutually determined in the relation to each other. And the goal is designed to the find the bonds and robotic action which are safe for human and back reaction and to the maximize the robot's utility or minimize the robot's cost within the bounds. uh, and the important factors of the cobalt robots, there are three main factors. One, first of all, improving to the economic efficiency of robot in relation to human labor. And next, introduction of such a technical advantage in robotic solution which will allow to effective implement robot in key industry and economy. Another one is the rapid development of the robotic market. The collaborative implementation examples is with the automation and implementation of the HRCs, series production as a major step toward future intelligent manufacturing. It becomes cheaper, more flexibility and efficiency. One of the unique opportunity cobots is the cognitive ability to take decision independently. And great result into the field of HRC in manufacturing have BMW groups. Spartanburg plant has success in implementation of cobot that work side by side with human workers. In one term, BMW Group has upgraded the production environment in the automotive engineering, and this allow to human operator to use their cognitive abilities to maximum effect. Human operators can work together with robots without productive difference. Efficiency and effectiveness at the workplace, more room for creativity. And The main human factor during SRC is uh, display the factor the first the credibility of the robots, the lack of confidential relation in robot and the attitudes to them contribute to the reduction for their use. And the human mental workload, this is the inherent design of the workplace with robots leads to additional human workload. And positive perception of the robot, it is the positive perception of the robot can have the positive impact of performance. And next, the loss of awareness of the situation lead to various accidental injuries of a human. And skill degradation, this factor so de-skilling affect the result of HRI and reduce the safety measurement of their joint work. And adaptive automation, this is the step-by-step automation allows the operator to track the entire process. This is the Cobot robot. And some application of the Cobot robot, there are many applications. They say include assembly, dispensing, finishing, machining, tenting, material handling, welding, material removal, quality inspection, and more than more. Below we summarize three some common classes of the Cobot deployments. Material handling, material handling is the one of the most dangerous job in the manufacturing. Materials such as metal, plastic, and other substance can pose a great risk to human workers. Additionally, many material handling tasks are repetitive, which can give rise to repetitive strain injury. Industries that use the robot in manufacturing see significantly fewer working place injuries. Meanwhile, machining tenting tasks and including those that involve heavy duty CNC machines are also within the capabilities of universal robot cobots. And the assembly and quality assurance, the universal robot cobots are specifically designed to work alongside human employees and relieve them from tedious and difficult assembly jobs. This includes welding small pieces together and drill screws and similar assembly tasks. And the cobot can also be used to assist with the quality assurance during the production process. Unlike humans, cobot perform the same task the same way every time without growing tired or suffering any losses in performance. For example, cobot can place a camera in the same location for as many measurements and position on as many workpieces as needed, all without optical recalibration. The next, material removal. The other that they also the production can be handled by cobots. Material removed by robots is needed for the any process that involving filling molds. The small robots can access the molds piece and take care of trimming any excess metal or plastic without damaging the part of subjecting human workers to the risk of injury. And some common uses of robotic technology, the electrical first the electrical and electronics and technology, and the food and agriculture, and pharmaceuticals and chemicals. In cobots in which uses electrical technologies, universal robot are used to by manufacturing of lightning, mobile phones, speakers, computers, and more than useful works. And collaborative robots are easier to program them. Typical industry robots, they can be performed by non-expected and other preferred for fast implementation. The next, and food and agriculture. The food and agriculture production takes place around the clock, and robots are able to work 24 hours a day, which leads to less waste and faster production time compared to the human labor alone. Additionally, the robots can operate in extremely hot, cold, or unpleasant conditions. As a result, more companies in the food production sectors are turning to cobots to support human labors. Next, paramedicals and chemicals. The production of paramedical chemicals and medical equipments requirement of the utmost precision. UR cobots are regularly used to mix, count, and dispense a variety of material. Uh, the Copenhagen's University Hostel in Denmark use UR cobot in their lab to optimize the handling and sorting of blood samples for analysis. The solution has enabled the lab to maintain its target of delivering more than 90% result within the own hours. And some advantage of this robots, first the fast installation, quick programmed, can be used in different departments, more consistent, accurate than humans, positive effect on employee become happier in the work, and increased productivity and process optimization. And disadvantages are the speed is limited and might not to be efficient as six axis robots, and this is not entirely independent, and safely approved to cobot can be troublesome. And finally, the conclusion is cobots as the element of the process future of robotic and have become safer and more efficiently. They can perform various of tasks. Then configuration and programming process become possible at the workplace in a real time. The global demand for cobot is growing every year. In the future, cobot will become the main tool of the production process in the industry. This will help to optimize the process, reduce the production cost, and increase the productivity. And then further works of the study in the area will allow the conductivity particle experimental based on the knowledge will obtain, and next stage of the research work will consider the effective solutions. Yeah, and the a system focused on safely HRI in a shared workplace during collaboration will be molded by centralist and decentralized algorithms. Their goals will be to interact with a person in a model as close as possible to human interaction. And then thank you.